Today we are going to see a very small and easy topic, that is extrahepatic biliary apparatus. So once you study the liver, you know bile is secreted, produced by the liver, and from the liver it is brought by certain structures and it is stored in the gallbladder, and from the gallbladder it is released through certain ducts at time of need. Okay, so from the liver till its release, whatever structures are involved in the passage of bile, that everything comes under the extrahepatic biliary apparatus. Okay, so the major structures which are involved in the extrahepatic biliary apparatus, they are the hepatic ducts. So in the liver there are anatomical lobes. From each of these lobes hepatic ducts are coming. So right and left hepatic duct. Okay, so this is the right, this is the left hepatic duct. From the lobes of the liver they will come, they will join together to form a common hepatic duct. So extrahepatic biliary apparatus consists of right and left hepatic ducts which are coming from the liver, joined together to form a single common hepatic duct. Okay, then we have a structure on the inferior surface of the liver, okay, which is situated in a fossa. Which is that structure? It is nothing but the gallbladder. Okay, so this is the gallbladder. From the gallbladder, from the neck of the gallbladder, there is another duct which is coming and joining the common hepatic duct. So this duct which is coming from the gallbladder and joining the common hepatic duct, that duct is known as the cystic duct. Okay, so from the gallbladder duct is coming and joining. So this duct is the cystic duct. We have right and left hepatic duct joined together to form the common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct joins with the cystic duct coming from the gallbladder together to form the bile duct. So these are the major structures which are involved in the extrahepatic biliary apparatus. Right and left hepatic duct join together to form common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct joins with cystic duct which is coming from the gallbladder, and cystic duct plus the common hepatic duct join together to form the bile duct. Okay, so these are the structures which are involved in the extrahepatic biliary apparatus.